Hello, YouTube. I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney. On this channel, we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answer they need from an employment attorney. It's been a day. It's been a day. Someone called me up today, apparently under the misapprehension that I work for the state. I don't know which state. They didn't specify. But they assured me that their tax dollars paid my paycheck. I mean, very indirectly, when I sue state employees or state employers for state employees, that is perhaps true. But I don't work for the state, which you would think would be obvious because you're calling a private law firm. But I guess not everybody understands that. Anyways, on this channel, we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answer they need from an employment attorney. We have a question here from YouTube user Sean. And Sean asks us, I was denied the opportunity to interview for a position that was a promotion. The position was posted internally. However, the hiring manager had already selected a candidate before posting the position, as he was directed to do by HR. I applied, I had the qualifications, and I didn't get a chance to interview. I submitted an ethics complaint based on discrimination. HR contends nothing discriminatory happened. Now they're offering me the ability to work in a new position, doing the same work described in the position I was previously denied. I've already filed an Equal Employment Opportunity Commission charge, however, and hired a lawyer. Does my claim lose merit if I accept the position? No. Your claim does not lose merit if you accept the position. It does, however, change your damages calculation rather significantly. If you get a comparable position with comparable pay while you're pursuing your claims, then your economic damages and your emotional damages probably stop growing at the point where you receive the comparable position. At least your economic certainly does. And I think the argument that your emotional does as well is fairly strong, although not a sure thing. Now, that doesn't mean that your case is defunct. Everything that you accrued in terms of economic damages in the period of time where you didn't have the job, that's still your pool of damages economically speaking. And you still have emotional damages of being stripped of the opportunity to interview for a job based on some protected class. Now, I will note here, you don't tell us what your protected class is or what kind of discrimination you're pursuing with the EEOC, but I assume you and your attorney have that squared away, so we don't need to get into that. Yeah, you're not destroying the claim, you're bracketing it. You're setting it so the damages can't grow any further because now the harm has been remedied. And that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that, right? That it's better to have the job that you originally had to sue for than it is to have a check from a case, because not for nothing, your attorney's probably going to take a chunk of that check, right? And that check's a one-time thing, whereas the job, the promotion's going to keep earning for you and also be potentially a stepping stone in your career. Although now, of course, you're going to have to keep an employment attorney's card in your wallet just in case somebody retaliates in the future. But that being said, sounds like you handle things very well. Sounds like the employer is trying to fix the problem, and I commend them for that, and I commend you for handling things so well. Obviously, have this conversation with your attorney because, listen, the valuation of the case might be very low now. It might make sense to get the case settled. I don't know. But that's why you have an attorney. You can have those conversations with your counsel. You should have this conversation as well, right? There could be something I don't know that's making me give you the wrong answer. I think we got the right answer here. But that being said, check with your attorney, right? Anything else I can tell you here? Anything else of value? No. I think we covered it. This is a short one. If this video is helpful, like, subscribe, comment down below. Share our channel so it can grow. Good luck, and congratulations on the promotion.